Alright, baby, we just out strolling. We're going around you, baby. Take it easy. Sunny drives. Oh yeah, I'm recording something, aren't I? Forgot y'all were here. Oh, traffic. Everybody, you were in Camden, South Carolina. Been here before. Got a revolutionary park here. And man, it feels good out there today. It's like, it's probably close to 75 degrees or so. And I'm rocking this full face helmet. I think the full face helmet is about done for 6-7 months. Full face is pretty much, what, I don't know, about 65 and below. Get above 65, we lose the full face. I got that new windshield. I think I did one ride with that other windshield. This one. Cheap windshield. It's a Harley Davidson windshield. Anybody that wants to put it on, I'll probably said this in another video. It's, pretty easy. Comes with 3 mounting bolts. Of course, they don't line up with a Kawasaki Voyager, but they'll fit. We'll use the center bolt on that windshield, mount it up, and we'll mark every spot for the other 4 bolts. After we mark it, we will take it, we will drill it, and we will have our mounting bolt holes ready to mount. One other thing you'll have to do with that windshield, you will have to remove about, I don't know, 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, I'm guessing. It may be 1/2 inch, I can't remember, off of the bottom. Good Dremel would do it, bandsaw would do it, you know, whatever. I'm not going to really recommend that people with vaqueros do it, because you really need to be pretty precise if you're not going to have that cover. For me, I got that chrome cover that covers up, you know, my cut marks and everything, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You got a vaquero, you're going to want to be perfect. So this is Camden, South Carolina. A little small town. I'm not sure how many people live in Camden. I'm guessing 45,000, 35,000, somewhere in that range. This is downtown. Got the clock there. Got a red light. I'll stop at the red light. Pretty simple little town. A lot of older people here, I guess. They say it's old money here. Old money, no new money. I guess the old money is all that money that people buried in the backyard. Anyway, we're going to Harbor Freight because my wife needs a blade for a saw. I got my wife doing manly things while I'm out, you know, riding a motorcycle, making a swing. She's pretty good at that kind of stuff. She's a crafty kind of girl. Crafty. There's your old hearse right there, baby. Funeral home. You don't see that in the big city. A horse-drawn hearse. Few bikes. That'll be number 2 gold wing I've seen. 2 gold wings. Just saw one downtown. Number 2. Ow! Nice shopping center there. been empty for probably a decade or more. They've got Planet Fitness coming in there. Planet Fitness and am I gonna say a Hobby Lobby? It might be a, nope, not a Hobby Lobby, I already got one. I can't remember what else is coming, but it's a Planet Fitness is one of the big things. Planet Fitness is the gym, you know, that I think if I had to choose a gym, that's the one. It's a huge place. I was a member at a different city once upon a time, and man, they got a lot of room. It's like a little Walmart. If you're somebody who likes to tan and tanning beds, which I don't guess that's a thing anymore with Corona, but the one I went to, they had like 10, 12 tanning beds, freaking massage chairs, TV right in front of you. You could live there if you wanted to. But it was really nice for, I think I paid $20 a month. I had black membership. Black membership means you could take a friend pretty much anytime you want. Take somebody with you, and you get the perks like the massage beds and the massage chairs and all that kind of stuff. It's worth the extra $5 a month. I think you can get a basic membership for $14.99 a month. Let's get away from these people because they make me nervous. $14.99 for basic and $19.99. They might have went up, but that's what it used to be. Gym memberships, gyms, I think that's a good way to make money. People just join and you just take money from them because half of them don't ever show up to a gym. I'm one of those half. Just don't show up. But I got it if I need it. Gas has gone up a lot. $2.47 here. Seems like, you know, a month or two ago it was $1 and what, 89 cents? A lot of people ain't gonna remember that. $1.89. Jump up to $2.47. And they say it's because of the weather and everything. Well, that might have something to do with it, but you don't take a 50 freaking cent jump because of the weather. Hurricanes don't cause that. Winter storms don't cause that. Pipelines cause that. Having to ship oil by rail instead of a pipeline, paying somebody, that's what causes that. So that's my take on the fuel situation. And a lot of people say we don't run out of oil. Well, we probably will one day, but guess what, it's not today. You're not gonna run out of oil today, baby. You run out tomorrow, that's tomorrow. Going to leave a lot of oil in the ground because electric cars and electric motorcycles and all this other electric stuff's coming around. Why leave all the oil in the ground? Let's take everything we can. That's my take. Nobody cares what my take is, but that's my take. The drill here in this country too. We ain't no drill overseas. We ain't no make other people rich. Use what we got. Alright, we made it to Lugoff. This is a little town of Lugoff right near Camden. This is where the Harbor Freight is. Another little town, probably only about 30,000 people in Lugoff. Maybe less than that, might be 25,000, somewhere in that range I would imagine. They got a new Burger King here somewhere. Not sure where it's at though. Hadn't been over here in a while. That plant over there is formerly DuPont. I think they make, it's Invista now. I don't even know what Invista makes. If they still make carpet or, they used to make stain resistant type carpet fibers or something. I don't know if that's still what they do. All right, green light, green light, green light. See what my temperature gauge does here. I haven't flushed my system. I flushed it last year. I put Prestone in. I actually bought some Amsoil coolant. I actually bought some for a big truck. I was going to use it in here. some of their Super Duty. I haven't done it yet, but I did buy some stuff that they got called a coolant additive. It's supposed to keep your motor cooler. I put it in my reservoir bottle because I didn't want to take the fuel tank off if I'm not going to flush the radiator. So I just dropped it in there. I'm thinking it should be in the radiator. I've let it heat up and cool down a few times. So. Girl Scout cookie. You want a Girl Scout cookie? I'm going to tell y'all a secret about a Girl Scout cookie. If you find a Dollar General and you like caramel delights, go to the cookie aisle and look for coconut caramel cookies. The Dollar General brand, Clover Valley. I'll guarantee you they taste just like a Girl Scout caramel delight. The box looks the same shape. They're packaged the same way with the same plastic, which makes me believe that the company and the bakery that makes the Girl Scout cookies also makes the Dollar General Clover Valley caramel cookies. Little tidbit for you. Glad I could help. About to be at my destination. Good old Harbor Freight. Captain D's. As a kid I hated Captain D's, but I kind of like Captain D's anymore. Somebody needs to come and pave their parking lot. We're about to say bye-bye to y'all. Good spot for a four-way stop, but look at all these potholes, man. Got to go around them all. Where are we going to park? What we thinking here? What are we thinking? Let's make sure nobody's coming. I guess I'll be handicapped today. Sucks. We could be handicapped. I want a spot over there. Guess we'll be way over here all by ourselves. All alone. All alone.